Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to add, edit and manage your cards payments in your Edge app on Android. So this is the dummy payments page that we are going to use. So in order to save your card details, what you can do is you can tap on this three bar options, go to settings, and within the settings select the accounts, and in the accounts you have this last option, payment info. So ensure that you have this save and fill payment info enabled, and you can also have this option to manually verify every time your payment using autofill to safeguard your payment card. Once it is done, select the add card, and here you can enter your card number, or you can even scan your card details. So I'll just enter the dummy details here. Once it is done, you can just tap on this. So in order to use that, let's go back to the same dummy page and reload this page. So once the payment page has loaded, now you can fill in the details and tap on this card number field. So you will see whatever the card details that we have saved earlier will be appearing here, and you can just simply tap on OK, and you can enter the CVV details and fill out all other information, and once it is done, you can just go and process with the payment. Now if you want to edit the saved cards or delete the cards, what you can do is you can again tap on these three bar options, go to settings, accounts, and within the accounts go to payment info and select the credit card that you want to edit or delete. Once you verify yourself with your biometric, it will be open in edit mode where you can change the details, and at the top you have this delete trash icon, which will help in deleting the card, and once you selected that delete command, the card will be removed. So in this way you can add, edit and manage your payment details in your Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.